My name is Dr. Shine Ashokan. I'm a sports medicine, orthopedic, and joint replacement surgeon. On an average, most patients go home between the third and fourth day. However, there are some people, or rather some patients, who do extremely well. They have done all the right tick boxes. Obs and vitals are all stable. They've done all the exercise routines, done the stairs. Within 48 hours, they are actually more than happy to go home. So, in such patients, I don't stop. I encourage them to go. There are some patients, however, who are different, who may need a little more time to get those, to hit those tick boxes, and we discharge them when we feel they are safe to be discharged. So, an average is between 3 to 4 days.